Are you throwing money away on organic food? With grocery bills skyrocketing, it's a question we're all asking. Is buying organic really worth the extra cost? And more importantly, which organic choices actually deliver a tangible boost to our well-being? As a nutrition and wellness coach, I'm constantly bombarded with information, and even I need clarity sometimes. So I consulted with a medical expert to get a clear, evidence-based perspective on the real differences between organic and conventional foods, and to pinpoint where spending the extra money truly matters, even when you're on a tight budget. Let's dive into the world of organic foods and separate fact from fiction. What exactly are organic foods anyway? You'll find a huge range of organic options in your local supermarket, from juicy fruits to savory meats. But Dr. Daniel Atkinson, clinical lead at Treated, points out that there are some common misconceptions about what organic truly means. A frequent misunderstanding is that organic equals pesticide-free. This isn't entirely accurate, Dr. Atkinson clarifies. Organic foods can contain pesticides, although generally in smaller amounts or derived from natural sources. Also, while organic foods often boast a higher nutritional content compared to non-organic, that doesn't mean conventional foods are devoid of nutritional value. They absolutely still contribute to a healthy diet. And this is the part most people miss. The organic label itself isn't a blanket guarantee. As the U.S. Department of Agriculture, USDA, specifies, a 100% organic label signifies a fully organic product. However, a simple organic label usually indicates that at least 95% of the ingredients meet organic standards. So, always check the label carefully. Which foods should you always buy organic, and why? Organic food often comes with a hefty price tag, making a complete organic overhaul unrealistic for many families. But fear not. Dr. Atkinson highlights specific items where the switch to organic makes a significant difference. Prioritize organic fruits and vegetables where you consume the skin, such as those delicious strawberries, peaches, vibrant spinach, or crisp apples, he advises. Pesticide residues can linger on the outer skin even after washing. Think about it. Those pesticides are designed to stick around. Conversely, he continues, foods with thick, inedible skins like bananas, avocados, or oranges might offer less benefit from being organic. Their natural protective layer already acts as a barrier, but here's where it gets controversial. Dr. Atkinson also suggests considering organic options for animal products. Animal products like eggs, meat, and fish are other areas where buying organic can be beneficial. Conventional farming practices often involve the use of synthetic growth hormones, antibiotics, and specific feed additives, which could affect the nutritional profile of the final product. Additionally, consumers who prioritize animal welfare may prefer organic animal products due to their often more ethical and sustainable production methods. Of course, another major factor is cost. Regular foods are still subject to strict regulations and must meet certain safety standards before they hit the shelves. The Dirty Dozen, your organic shopping hit list. A handy way to prioritize your organic purchases is by consulting the Dirty Dozen list, compiled by Pan UK. This list identifies fruits and vegetables with the highest likelihood of containing multiple pesticide residues, potentially impacting your health. Here's the most recent Dirty Dozen, along with the percentage of tested samples found to have multiple pesticide residues. Peaches and nectarines, 85%. Grapes, 84%. Strawberries, 83%. Cherries, 81%. Spinach, 73%. Apples, 72%. Brussels sprouts, 50%. Cucumber, 47%. Tomato, 46%. Apricots, 43%. Lettuce, 39%. Beans with pods, 38%. The Clean 15, where you can save your money. On the flip side, the Environmental Working Group, EWG, publishes the Clean 15, a list of foods with the lowest levels of pesticide residues. These are the items where you might consider sticking with conventional options to save some cash. Pineapples, sweet corn, fresh and frozen, avocados, papaya, onion, sweet peas, frozen, asparagus, cabbage, watermelon, cauliflower, bananas, mangoes, carrots, mushrooms, kiwi. Ultimately, the decision of whether or not to buy organic is a personal one, weighing factors like budget, health priorities, and ethical considerations. Now, I'm curious to hear your thoughts. Do you prioritize organic purchases? Which foods do you always buy organic, and which ones do you skip? Share your opinions and experiences in the comments below. Let's have a discussion. What are your non-negotiables when it comes to organic versus conventional? Do you think the potential benefits of organic outweigh the cost? I'm eager to hear your perspectives.